With 7 locations, Dow Benelux is one of the larger players in the field of chemistry in Europe. Dow's ambition is to be the most innovative, customer-focused, inclusive, and sustainable materials science company in the world. The beating heart of Dow Benelux is in Terneuzen. With 17 factories and approximately 4,000 employees, Dow Terneuzen is Dow's largest location outside of the United States, with the largest production site, R&D facilities, and a service center that provides support to customers and the Dow organization in Europe, Middle East, Africa, and India. Crude oil and LPG enter our port by ship. We temporarily store these raw materials or transport them to our light hydrocarbons (LHC) plants. In the plants, the oil or LPG is heated to no more than 850 degrees Celsius. This causes the substance to disintegrate. The molecules rise to the distillation pipes in the form of hot vapor. We cool the various substances in these pipes, and these substances are then collected separately. This is how we convert crude oil into basic raw materials such as ethylene, propylene, benzene, and butadiene. These are important for other plants at the industry park, for example, the Dowlex plant. In the Dowlex plant, plastic granules are made from, among other substances, the raw material ethylene. These grains all appear the same, but nothing could be further from the truth. By adding different substances, the plastic can be given certain properties such as firmness, transparency, or tear resistance. Each customer has different wishes. We store the product in large silos on site, after which we transport it to the customer. This is often done by truck or train. We transport 1 million tons of product to customers every year. The granules can be found in many daily products such as artificial grass, milk packaging, diapers, and heating pipes. Dow is constantly engaged in research and development, and Dow spends $800 million annually in the field of R&D to develop products and processes with less impact on the environment and at lower costs. Dow Terneuzen also has its own combined heat and power (CHP) plant called ELSTA, so as to always be supplied with energy. In addition to electricity, we also produce steam in this plant, which is used in our production processes. The site in Terneuzen is known in the region as a leading player in this field. There are numerous examples of strong sustainability projects at Dow, such as green, natural remediation of the soil by means of poplars, and the construction of a bird breeding ground island on the edge of the Sparkome, or the Steel to Chemicals project and the Hydrogen Transport to Yara project. Dow also sponsors various other initiatives in the area, such as the Ride for the Roses. Since 2019, 1,100 employees with more than 50 nationalities have been working at the Terneuzen Diamond Center, an eye-catching, completely self-sufficient office building. From this center, located at the Maintenance Value Park, customers and colleagues throughout the EMEA region are supported. The diverse and inclusive working environment creates a fresh approach to things, new perspectives, and an original way of thinking.